Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to Outing Journal. It's early morning, 6:30. My wife is not feeling well. I told her to take the travel sickness medicine, but she didn't believe on me, and now she's feeling quite sick. I can just pray for my wife that she get recover soon. So I'm going to ask for some travel warm medicine from the staff if they have. Other than that, I'm going to have some breakfast. It's 6:30 a.m. in the morning, and this is my $200 to go ferry. Saint Francis Xavier room is a quite big room. It's a suite room, and let me show you from the outside. So this is outside. You can see, right? Mashallah, it's a very beautiful, right? So if you look anywhere, only you can see is ocean. Ocean is very vast. This kind of trip, like where you are stuck on the ocean for few days, it make you realize the purpose of life. Like, what is your purpose of life? If you are tired of your life, you don't know what to do, just get on a ship or a ferry for 2 days at least, and then it will automatically help you to figure out what you wanna do in life. So now let's get started with our morning food vlog. So let's get started. I'm going to go to the restaurant, and as you can see, here is me. I'm using my Olympus EPN9 camera for this video. Let's go. Okay, let's get started with our trip. So it's like already 6:30. We're going to have some breakfast now. You have to take online. So we have to wait online. So there's quite long line. What we can get here. So I'm quite hungry. There's a line. You have to show your ticket, which my wife has. So how are you feeling now? Not good? Inshallah. And we asked the staff if we can buy the warmer tablet, okay? So there's a long line. But again, the line is moving quite fast. And so there's a quite long line. And Hana, remember to ask if the sausages halal or pork, understand?
Dalawa na yun. $78 po lahat.
Ask for the halal only, okay?
Dalawang pagi pa. Sa inyo po, take out ma'am, 18 pesos po. Halal po ito? Opo ma'am, chicken hotdog po yan. Okay. Kung bayad na lang ma'am, 18 pesos.
18? One it. So finally we took our dining takeaway, and then so we should go out in the room and eat, not here. So now we are going to eat our meal, Hana. Shall we start eating? So what is this meal? This is the pineapple chicken. In here. How is the taste? How is the honey melon milk drink taste? I put 50% sugar this time. Sugar is okay or low? Okay. So you start eating.